Welcome to the EVO Lite series tutorials. In this video, we will use the EVO Lite Plus Premium Bundle to show you how to use EVO Lite series for the first time. First, open the box and take out the aircraft and its accessories. You can scan the QR code on the box or go to Autel's official website to download the Sky app. Download and install the Autel Sky app and complete the registration. First, remove the gimbal cover. Unfold the aircraft's front arms and then the back arms. Screw the joysticks into place on the remote controller. Pull up the mobile phone holder on the top of the remote and secure your phone to the controller. Connect the Type-C end of the adapter cable to the remote control and the other end to your mobile device. Press and hold the power button on the remote control for 2 seconds to turn the controller on. Press and hold the aircraft power button for 3 seconds to turn on the aircraft. Open the Autel Sky app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the aircraft. Press and hold the power buttons to turn off the aircraft and the remote controller. Thank you for watching.